What's up you guys? Mair here with Mairbornhungry YouTube channel. I have got you guys today the steelhead trout. This will be a 4 servings of this trout. Let's get into the video and let's make this recipe the delicious way. So the chef gloves are on. We have a steelhead trout, guys. Let's see how much is this. It says 4 serving, so it's a whole big fillet. Let's cut this out, give it a rinse. So this one fillet cost me around $14. Or how about if you're doing fishing and you catch a trout, how are you gonna make the trout? This is the perfect recipe for that. Take a look here. This is steelhead trout. Look at the skin. Delicious, right? Wow, it's tender. Alright, let me give it a quick rinse with this big fillet. We'll grab our knife. So we will try to make at least 4 fillets, or here, or right in the middle. No, let's start from the left. Alright, so here you go, the first fillet. The skin is tough, guys, but that's all okay. This is trout. Alright, so take a look. Beautiful cut, perfect fillet. One more, and here you go, the second. One more fillet. And let's just leave the tail side just the way it is. We are making the best trout ever in your cast iron. It will take around 6 to 7 minutes, but it will be a delicious trout. We had a whole big fillet. We made 4 smaller fillets out of that. We will turn on our cast iron pan on a medium-high flame. We'll grab butter. You can use salted butter. The fish always tastes way better in the butter. Take a big chunk of a butter. Butter has started to melt in our pan. We have 4 fillets of trout. How are we gonna marinate? First thing I want to tell you guys, grab crushed red chilies. If you don't want to use this, it's all okay, but we are working with the flavors, right? A pinch of red chili flakes. Why I'm putting a little bit extra? Because you have to cover it at the back as well. So for the whole fillet, I would say half tablespoon of red chili flakes. Right, perfectly done, right? This is dry crushed coriander seeds. So I'll just put roughly half tablespoon on top of this. We have carom seeds, half tablespoon. We all love lemon with the fish, right? Everyone says we love lemon with our fish. So we just need a little bit lemon zest. I usually do it this way. It's easier for me. People usually go rub the whole lemon on top of it, but I like to rub this, you know, the shredder on the lemon. That's perfectly fine. Perfectly done. We will grab 1 tablespoon of salt. 1, or you can do half. I'll add 1. Alright guys, the secret ingredient here I'm going to tell you without a spoon. Get tamarind concentrate. We are working with the flavors right here. Half tablespoon all goes right here. This is a thick concentrate, very soury. We will just massage now our trout. Look how beautiful it looks. Look at the colors it's forming up. Nice, done. Just rough coating. We are making sure it's covering all the spots. Half tablespoon. Imagine, it's gonna give so savory, earthy flavor to our trout. The zest of the lemon, it is just like aromatic, you know. Our butter is right here. The first thing I'll do, I'll just add 4 or 5 cloves of garlic in here. We will pick up our fillet right here, skin down, and we will just land it right here. Look how it's shrinking. Here goes the second one. We have to cook on a medium-high flame our trout at least for 3.5 minutes. Here I have French beans. I have given a rinse, quick rinse. We will add a handful of green beans right here. So we have a garlic going on, we have a green beans going on. We still have 2 more fillets. Once we are done with these guys, we can put the fillets. It's gonna just take 6-7 minutes, right? Okay, it's been 3 minutes, okay? And this is the time to flip your salmon. You don't have to use your hand. As a chef, I can do it, but you can use another spoon or something like that. And just flip it. So here we will let it cook again for at least, you guys see the crust? OMG. Look at the crust on this guy. Looks so good. It's on a medium-high flame, guys. Our garlic is getting roasted. Take a lemon and just add the 2 slices right next to. It's more than 6 minutes now. So here it is. Okay, we'll flip our trout just like that. It is so soft, guys. Alright, and here you go. Perfectly done. Perfectly roasted. We have French beans going on. We have garlic is right here. Perfectly deliciously done. Turn off your stove. I'll keep these 2 fillets for later. Let the whole pan settle now. Let it be like this. Let it just settle. Delicious cast iron pan fried or cast iron fried steelhead trout is ready, guys. We marinated it. We added some vegetables for the flavors. We put the secret ingredient in here as a tamarind concentrate, guys. It's perfectly done. This is the moment of truth. I'll definitely use a fork and you can take this out gently and put it in your plates, or you can just simply actually present this whole recipe just like this, guys. This is how it is. You can, if you're running a business, right, you can get these pans, and once you're serving the customers, just serve the way it is. This is actually a best way to do it. It's gonna tell the customers, or it's gonna tell your guests, it's a home cooking and you're just bringing the whole kitchen right in front of them. Alright, guys, so the moment of truth. Here it is. Take a look here, okay? 6 minutes. I'm a little bit under the weather. I took like medicines for the flu, so that's why I'm like a little bit shaky. So here it is, guys. Taste test. Wow, what a beautiful trout is this. Yummy. Let me go all the way in the middle. All right, so here this is, guys. It's all cooked, perfectly done. You can see all the fibers of the meat. We have a crusty, okay, we have a crusty skin at the bottom. It's juicy and crusty. You guys can see. Oh wow. Yum. French beans. Wow. A touch of garlic. Garlic is just mushy. You guys see, it has been roasted. And here you go, guys. This is your premium bite right there. Take a look, closely look, if the camera captures everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Do make this easy, simple cast iron trout. This is how you have to cook it, and it's gonna be wonderful flavors. These flavors will blow up the mind. These flavors will give you the best experience of this whole trout recipe. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel. Visit Mairbornhungry YouTube channel and you'll be amazed by the recipes what we make. There it is, guys. Wow. all of it right there. Delicious. Omega 3 is right here.